Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how we can remove noise from audio in Adobe Audition CC. So if we open Adobe Audition up, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a sample of the noise and then using that sample to reduce the noise in the rest of the audio recording. So in order to get a noise sample, we just want a section of audio where nothing else has been said or anything has been done, just the noise is getting picked up. So if you're about to record something, it's best to say have 15-20 seconds at the start of your recording where you're not saying anything, just so you can capture a nice noise print later on. So I'm just going to start this recording here, and for about 15 to 20 seconds at the start I'm not going to say anything, and then I'll record my sample sound. This is some sample sound. The big red fox jumped over the wall. So there we go, I've finished making that sample recording. So right at the start I have a 15 to 20 second section that is just all noise. So as you can see from the waveform, nothing was said, that is just background noise that has been picked up, and then what I said is then here. So to reduce the noise in this audio, we're first just going to click and drag over the area that we want to sample. So this whole area here is background noise, so if we click and drag over it to select it, and then on the keyboard if we press Shift and P, that will then capture the noise print, and then if we press Ctrl A to select all of the audio, and then on the keyboard if we press Ctrl Shift and P, that will bring up the noise reduction effect, which will be using our noise print that we just captured to reduce the noise in this audio. So I usually leave it on the default, so 50% noise reduction by 16 decibels. However, you can play about with it if you want to try and get a better result for you. So if we click apply, that will then reduce the noise in the audio. So as you can see, the line is much clearer now, as very little background noise remains in the audio. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.